Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Let's just take this trade. I don't want to miss this chance. Yeah, this is my first trade. We have this round number. We got this very nice entry. We have two trades on this one, and if you look here, this is uptrend, major uptrend, and then we have major downtrend, and now we're expecting another move to the upside based on the market structure at the higher scale. But if we zoom in, you will see that we have long wicks in the market, and the market's basically in a ranging kind of behavior. And now we have this buyer's entry, and this buyer's entry, and this buyer's entry. So here we can count on a breakout trade based on this one. First touch, second touch, third touch is breaking that. This is also a pattern which can have a retracement, but is that enough reasons? So no, it's not enough reasons. So if we look here, we have this round number with 2, 0. So these are 3 reasons I took this trade. The market being range, long wick market. I wasn't entering with marginal safety, so I didn't take advantage of long wick market, but we have a breakout trade and also a pattern. All right, so that was my first trade. This is ABC to the downside, and also if you see here, we have the seller's entries, first touch, second touch, third touch, and also we created this lower low here. So this is going to be a very nice breakout trade. One more time, I hope this candle closes exactly on this rejection point. That's going to be very sick. So let's see, 2, 1. I go double trade here. Oh, we have this gap down in the favor of buyers, not sellers. So basically when you have when you trying to take a sell trade, gap downs just like this one. Let me just, you see this gap down, it means that this candle closed right here, and the next candle, instead of opening here, it opened from down here a little bit. This is called gap down. When you are trying to think about going with the sellers, gap downs are against your trade, but gap ups are in your favor. For example, if this candle is closing here, the next candle opening with up here, this would be a confirmation, positive confirmation for you to go with the sellers, even though we got this negative confirmation for us. But since this is a ABC break trade, ABC break, and also 3 bar up retracement requirement, and also 1, 2, 3, this is a breakout trade, and also we have this lower low. So that's why I take this trade, just like the first one. First one also was a breakout trade. Okay, so we got 2 trades in here, and they were both breakout trades. All right, now you see that we have this beautiful ABC to the upside, and we broke this trend line, and this was the area that we decided to break this trend line. Okay, so here I will try to, basically I missed this trade, but no problem. We have a overlapping level as well, so you know what, that's going to be very nice if we have this candle closing somewhere here. That's be very nice, but unfortunately they rejected from this strong demand area. That's no. Okay, so you know what, I will take a very small trade here. You know what, let's just move on to the next one. Okay, look at this beautiful doji, was takeable, but let's see if we have more reasons. Yes, we could take this doji trade since we are at this support area. And here if we come up and close somewhere here, since this is also a doji break, that's going to be very nice trade. Let's see. So we have this trend, this one right here. When you're trying to take your trade, just make sure that you draw trend lines and horizontal levels, because you might have intersections like this. These are the very strong points in the market if you could find them. Okay, so here we're breaking this doji, hopefully. Yes, let's go with this trade. And also this is super strong candle, and this might be the starting point of a very nice bullish uptrend. I mean, the uptrends are all bullish, but yeah. So I would say this is not closing on a seller's entry. This is simply a doji trade. This is just simply a doji trade, and I should have lowered the risk, but no problem. When you have just one reason or very few reasons, you can just decrease the risk by decreasing the amount. This is your only tool here. Decreasing the amount is your only tool to decrease your risk. You either want to take very nice trades and ignore the bad trades, or you can just decrease your amount when you have not enough reasons to take a trade. You see that? Oh my goodness, that was a losing trade. What? Like, that was unlucky as hell. No problem. Okay, I want to go with the buyers here. You know why? Because this is a very, like, look at this. Every time the market has been switched from this area. See that? Now I'm expecting another one. Since this is a inverted green hammer, and also this is a round number, previously also buyers entered, I might... Oh, this is also a gap down in the favor of buyers, so that's why I thought, oh my god, look at that. That was crazy. You know, look at this gap down. This is what I'm talking about. Gap down. If you haven't watched the mini courses, this is going to be the mini course part 1, and this is going to be the mini course part 2. And in the mini course part 1, I explained a little bit about gaps, which covered this one here. Gap down in the favor of buyers, and when you're trying to take your buy trade, gap downs in the favor of buyers and gap ups are in, you know, our negative confirmation for buyers. For this one, we have positive confirmation. We have reversal candle closing on a buyer's entry. This is the buyer's entry. Okay, exactly. And then we also have this round number supporting the price. And yeah, we could just bounce one more time here. Okay, so let's see if we can find one more. Okay, look at this one. You see this gap up? Let's imagine this is closing on this round number, but we have this gap up. I mean, this is closing on this trend line. Let's say it's not closing on that, but let's imagine. And then we have this gap up. So there is a probability of sellers just keep entering because of that gap up. Okay, because the gap up are sellers' friends. Now here, I'm gonna take a risk. I never trade like that. Oh no, not anymore. Okay, let's take this risk. Oh shit. It's exactly on this round number. How unlucky a person can be, bro. I was about to take a risky trade here and just have a fun trade, but it landed just on the round number, and also this gap down. It's really frustrating. But you know, look at this candle. This has a lot of buyers in itself, a lot of buyers. You might think it's going to keep dropping, but I have a strong feeling that the next candle should go up. So it'd be... I really want to take this trade as a buy. Alright, so the reason behind this trade was, if you zoom back, you will see that the previous times we have dropped from somewhere here. The mark is not accurate, so it doesn't mean that we dropped here. We're gonna drop here as well, exactly lined up with that. No, it's not accurate. You just have to, like, look at this. These are just keep moving up, and these are also. So you have to be able to detect them. But like, it's not gonna happen overnight. When you work enough and over time you will be familiar with the market's movement. And here, this is a startup of a strong trend, basically starting from this round number. I don't know, like it was a risky trade, to be honest. If I'm being honest, it was a risky trade. And yeah, I think that's enough for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this trading session. If you did, drop a like for me. And some people are still asking about mentorship. It's not like it's closed now, but I will inform in the Telegram channel that if we have the next batch or not. So make sure you join the Telegram channel as well. Thank you for watching and peace out.